Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm cooking soy glazed chicken. So I've got chicken thighs here that are boneless, and I'm going to season with black pepper. Just season both sides, and I'm going to season with salt, black pepper, salt, and some paprika. Just season both sides. Alright guys, I'm just going to flip the other side, and then the same seasoning. Black pepper, a bit of salt, and paprika. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to slightly, bring everything together to make sure everything is coated evenly, just like that. Alright guys, I'm going to set this aside for about 5 minutes. So now I'm going to coat my chicken in corn flour or cornstarch. So I'm just slightly coat the chicken just like that, and shake the excess cornstarch. Now guys, just adding some oil, just about 3 tablespoons of oil. Let the oil heat up a little bit. So I'm just gonna flip the side. I've cooked each side for about 5 minutes. To cook again for about 5 minutes. Then I'll make my sauce. So just as a reminder, I'm making soy glazed chicken thighs. Alright guys, setting this aside. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of garlic of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic. I'm just going to toast this until adding soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon and a half of honey, and then 3 tablespoons of chicken stock, You can even taste, guys, to make sure the sauce is to your desired taste, and this ratio is perfect. So I'm going to bring my chicken back, where I'm going to cook them in the sauce for another 5 to 7 minutes. Just adding those juices back in there. I'm just gonna flip again. Just adding some green onions.